Super Typhoon Gamy also felt in Taiwan. Malls and schools in the capital, Taipei, were forced to close after strong winds and heavy rains battered the city. Streets in neighboring New Taipei City were also deserted. Several flights at the Taipei Songshan Airport have also been canceled due to the bad weather. Super Typhoon Gamy is expected to be the strongest storm to hit the island in 8 years. Over in Japan, the storm is also felt in Ishigaki Island. Gamy also brought strong winds and heavy downpour there. Japan's meteorological agency urges residents in the island and the Okinawa prefecture to stay indoors and be on alert for possible landslides and flash floods. A typhoon is also wreaking havoc in Vietnam. Locally called Prapirun, the storm brought heavy rains to the country's northern provinces, triggering floods in several areas. At least 3 people were killed, while 5 have been reported missing. The Philippine capital region has been placed under a state of calamity. That's as torrential rains brought by now Super Typhoon Karina and the southwest monsoon brought flooding to various parts of the metro. In the city of Manila, at least 8 roads were inundated, rendering them impassable. We're also keeping a close watch on Marikina as the city government orders a forced evacuation of residents in low-lying areas. Now, this came after the water level at the Marikina River breached the highest alarm of 18 meters. The current water level now at 20. Marikina Mayor Marcy Teodoro is calling the situation unprecedented. He says it is now the highest water level they've experienced in 4 years. He also compares the amount of rainfall to the historic Typhoon Ketsana or Ondoy in 2009.
We're really bracing ourselves for the worst to come. This is a new normal. The data that we're recording in terms of rainfall count, in terms of water level, is unprecedented.
Interior Secretary Benher Abalos has ordered Metro Manila mayors to use government trucks to aid in evacuation efforts.
Mamaya maramihan ang evacuation dito, no? So magkaroon tayong control center through the MMDA. Yung ibang mga sasakyan ng pulis, ng bombero, ganun din, ibabato ko sa kanila. So kung may kailangan kagad kayo, madali kagad i-dispatch sa mga lugar ninyo as far as transportation, no, is really concerned here.
In Quezon City, Metro Manila's biggest city, floodwaters from the continuous rains have affected 80 of its villages. According to Pichi De Leon of the city's National Disaster Risk Management Council, the city government has evacuated over 7,000 families or over 22,000 people. She admits some residents from flood-prone areas were unable to evacuate as rain suddenly grew stronger since their last monitoring Tuesday night. But De Leon assures residents in need of rescuing, local rescuers have been working since Tuesday night to evacuate stranded residents. She urges those in need of help to post their details on social media or dial the 112 hotline. The cities of Manila, Mandaluyong, Caloocan, and San Juan suspend work and classes in all levels tomorrow, Thursday. Government work in San Juan and Caloocan also suspended tomorrow. Now, here are other areas that have canceled classes for tomorrow, July 25.